Penny. Penny. Spit the grasshopper out. Oh, it's moving. Penny, come back. Come back here. Get her, Lexi.
That's my dog. No, you're gonna kill it.
Oh. Does she still have it?
Oh my gosh, it's still in there. Its butt's moving.
Penny, spit the grasshopper out, you sicko.
Oh, she spit it out. Okay, grasshopper, go. Run free.
Where's the grasshopper?
Right here.
Is it still alive?
Yeah. Oh.
What?
She ate off one of its legs so it can like barely walk.
Ew.
Lexi, come here. No. Penny, no, spit it out.
Did she get it again?